The Guardian of the Nile is envisioned as one of the most extraordinary luxury trains ever developed in modern times, a rolling masterpiece designed to merge the ancient spirit of Egypt with the highest standards of contemporary engineering, hospitality, and artistic expression. From the moment the concept was announced, the project captured global attention not only because of its alignment with Egypt's growing tourism and cultural renaissance, but also due to the train's incredible architectural ambition, refined aesthetics, and the symbolic power it carries as a tribute to the timeless Nile River. Running through vast deserts, historic valleys, and the legendary landscapes of pharaohs, this train is created not merely as a mode of transportation, but as a moving palace meant to offer passengers an immersive journey into Egypt's heritage and future. Its exterior design, crafted with a gleaming palette of gold, ivory white, and brushed metallic textures, takes inspiration from ancient Egyptian art, combining motifs of the sun, lotus, falcon wings, and flowing river waves that echo the Nile's eternal movement. The sleek aerodynamic shape of the locomotive represents the union of modern speed with a regal, timeless silhouette. Underneath the glamorous design lies a robust engineering framework built for long-range comfort, high stability on desert tracks, energy efficiency, and smooth performance even in extreme temperatures. The Guardian of the Nile aims to operate as a symbol of Egypt's technological advancement and its rising position in global luxury tourism, offering carefully engineered climate control systems, vibration-absorbing suspension, and advanced navigation systems that ensure a quiet and seamless travel experience. Inside the train, the ambience is nothing short of breathtaking. Every cabin is designed as a miniature luxury suite, featuring handcrafted wooden panels, marble-inspired finishes, golden decorative edges, plush bedding, and panoramic windows that provide travelers with uninterrupted views of Egypt's shifting landscapes, from golden dunes glowing under the harsh sun to peaceful riverbanks drenched in morning mist. The interior lighting is designed to replicate the soft glow of antique oil lamps with modern LED precision, creating a warm, royal atmosphere reminiscent of ancient temples yet modern enough to satisfy the highest hospitality standards. The train's lounge cars offer Egyptian-inspired seating layouts, artistic wall panels, intricate carpets influenced by Nubian and pharaonic patterns, and quiet corners where travelers can relax and enjoy the expansive scenery. A gourmet dining experience forms the heart of the journey, with chefs preparing traditional Egyptian dishes such as molokhia, grilled lamb, stuffed vine leaves, and luxurious desserts like basbousa and kunafa, all served on elegant plates with gold trim, echoing the opulence of ancient royal feasts. The dining car's large windows allow passengers to eat as they watch the desert shift in hypnotic patterns, making every meal a theatrical display of nature. As the train moves, its advanced engineering minimizes noise, allowing guests to feel as if they are gliding across time itself, floating between the past and the future. In the evenings, the Guardian of the Nile transforms into an illuminated spectacle, with subtle exterior lights glowing like ancient lanterns traveling across the sands. Onboard entertainment includes cultural storytelling sessions, performances featuring traditional Egyptian instruments such as oud and kannon, and immersive digital projections that showcase the history of the pharaohs, pyramids, and temples of Luxor and Aswan. A dedicated observatory car allows guests to stargaze through crystal-clear skylights, offering a majestic view of the desert night sky unpolluted by city lights. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Guardian of the Nile is its rigorous assembly process, which involves highly skilled engineers, metalworkers, designers, and artisans collaborating to merge cutting-edge locomotive technology with the precision of fine craftsmanship. In the factory, sparks fly as robotic arms and human workers shape the metal skeleton, attach polished exterior panels, and install intricate interiors piece by piece. The process resembles the construction of a grand ship or palace, with each component inspected and tested for durability, luxury, and artistic perfection. When the train is finally assembled on the tracks, it stands like a golden serpent stretching across the desert, a testament to human creativity and the enduring allure of Egypt's cultural identity. The train is designed to offer multi-day journeys that take passengers through Cairo, Luxor, Aswan, and other iconic locations, allowing them to disembark for guided tours of archaeological sites, temples, and museums before reboarding their floating sanctuary. The Guardian of the Nile is not just a tourism project, it is a diplomatic symbol, an economic booster, a cultural ambassador, and a technological achievement, reflecting Egypt's larger vision of preserving its ancient legacy while embracing the future. As it moves across the desert, the train becomes a living bridge between millennia, inviting travelers to witness the magnificent story of Egypt in motion. With its perfect blend of engineering innovation, artistic soul, luxurious comfort, and historical authenticity, the Guardian of the Nile promises to become one of the world's most beautiful, iconic, and unforgettable trains, an experience where every moment feels like a journey through time, painted in the golden light of the world's oldest river.